Now, it's a new concept, strings. A string means it is a collection of characters. It's a basic thing. It is a collection of characters. Actually, a small disadvantage in C language, there is no specific data type for string. Hence, a character array itself treated as a string. Remember this point? A character array itself treated as a string. Okay. This one string format. Since the string is referred with a character array, hence it starts with the data type char. String name, now with a star bracket, size of the array. Even though we are placing it as an array, once the memory is allocated, now the entire array is treated as a string. Okay. Here, let us example, char str of 10. So str is a string with a maximum number of 10 characters. Now string point of view, here we consider some important points. Now this one, while reading string with the help of scanf statement, %s is the control string. So we use %s as a control string for reading and printing a string. Now, while reading string, ampersand symbol is not required. It's an important point. Ampersand symbol is not required before the variable name in scanf statement. It's another important point. Every string must be terminated with a null character, which indicates the end of the string. Remember this point? Null character is indicated with \0, which is used to indicate the end of the string. Okay? Actually, this termination character shows the difference between a character array and a string. The simple program. Now program to read and print a string. Header files stdio.h and conio.h is main program. Now char city of 10. Now it is a string. Now we print a message as enter a string. Now scanf within double quotes. The control string is %s. Okay. Double quote ended, comma, city. Remember students, ampersand symbol is not required. Okay. Now we are printing the result value as string value. Okay. A simple program for reading and printing a string. Now, when we execute this program, now consider some input values. The input, enter a string. Here we are submitted Kavali. Now result value Kavali. Here we consider one more result. Now input value is enter a string. Here we submitted a string with multiple words, New Delhi. When we print this value, it prints only new. Now Delhi word is not available. Why? Because whenever we enter a string, when a blank space is arised, automatically the string is terminated by the compiler. So here it accepts only the first word. This is a small disadvantage of scanf statement while reading strings. Hence, scanf is not a suitable library function to accept strings. Then, how will we read the strings in a proper way? For this, we go for a simple concept called string input output functions. So to read and print strings in a proper way, C language supports two important library functions, getS and putS. These two library functions are known as string input output functions. And these library functions are available in stdio.h header file. Now first function, getS function. So getS is a library function used to read an entire line as a string, including blank spaces. Now this one important one. Entire line as a string, including blank spaces. Okay. This one general format, getS of string. Here function accepts only one argument as string. There is example, getS of, assume str is a string, str. This library function, puts function. Now puts is a library function used to display an entire line as a string, including blank spaces. Entire line as a string, including blank spaces. This one general format, puts of string. Now this function also accepts only one argument as a string. Now this example, puts of str. Now program, that is same program as we solved previously. Scarcity of 10. Now enter a string. Instead of scanf library function, now we use getS function. So getS of city. Now printing. Now puts of city. Now when we execute this program, now when we submit a single word as a string, now result value again the same format. Another result value, here we enter a line as a string, including blank spaces. Now it accepts since the function is getS function. Now the result value is New Delhi. Hence, getS is a suitable library function used to accept the string. Okay. Now thank you one and all.